So what are you doing with these little blue things? You're putting them on my face?
Yeah, like putting makeup on.
You're playing makeup on me?
Yeah.
Oh, that looks nice. Why do I need makeup on?
So you could look beautiful, and then don't. I have some more on me. One more.
Don't. What were you gonna say? Don't let Bubble listen.
Don't. Uh, don't talk.
Don't talk. Okay. Why?
Don't laugh.
Oh, okay. Do you like your blue gel? Do you like your blue jewels? Oh, I can't say anything? No. Okay.
I have one more.
It looks like a smiley face on my forehead.
I know.
No, you just have a nose ring. Do you see that? You have a blue nose ring.
Yeah.